This is the brand new Xplorer ST, built tough to go to any destination and perfect for those who want to make it their own. Based on our proven 2.2 platform, the Xplorer ST comes loaded with essentials to get you going straight away so you can hit the road sooner. It's built tough with a 150 by 50 3mm hot dip galvanized chassis, mud terrain tires, dual big bore gas shocks and 12-inch electric brakes. It's ready for anything from the surf to the turf. And say goodbye to ladders. The integrated staircase gives you easier tent access for those who have got inabilities or you've just had a big night around the campfire. If you've got daylight to enjoy, the dual lift rooftop tent and 270 freestanding awning pops up in under 5 minutes. Check out the slide out kitchen. It's even got room for fridges up to 95 litres, has a built-in cold water tap, you've got your collapsible sink, and it's even got room for your gas burner or your barbecue. Inside is a real blank canvas with a massive 3,900 litres of internal volume ready for your custom fit outs, modular storage, 12-volt systems, lighting, your dream build done your way. Power is sorted as well. With the ST, it comes standard with a 100 amp hour AGM battery, Hardkorr 40 amp DC-DC, and a Hardkorr 170 watt panel on the rooftop tent. That's enough power to power all your gadgets, your lighting, anything you want to bring with you on your adventure. So there you have it, the brand new Xplorer ST. It's built tough, fully customizable, and ready for your next adventure. Pre-order now, head to the website. We're taking orders for November delivery.